How to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. I'm going to tell you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once, or is it actually possible? Because Facebook doesn't have a built in option to mass unfollow everyone. But you can use third party tools like Jarvee Pro or Block Party to automate the process. Jarvee Pro is a social media management tool that allows you to unfollow people in bulk, saving your time. Block Party, on the other hand, focuses on removing unwanted connection, which eventually unfollows them as well. If you don't want to use third party tools, you'll have to unfollow manually, go to your news feed, tap the three dots on a post, and select unfollow, or go to settings and privacy, feed preferences, and then unfollow, where you'll see a list of all followed accounts and can remove it one by one. This process takes longer manually, but it ensures your account stays safe from third party tool risks.